Hello everyone! In this video, I am going to show you how to make your own sugar-free hot chocolate. So this is a pretty simple process. If you're just making it for yourself, you can just watch the first half. If you want to stay tuned, at the end, I'm going to show you how to turn it into a gift if you want to gift this. So starting off with our ingredients, you are going to need a quarter of a teaspoon of salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, but you can use sea salt or anything you've got on hand. A half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. I just got mine at Aldi. You are going to need 1 full cup of some kind of no-calorie sweetener. So I actually blend mine. I use half a cup of sucralose, a quarter cup of granulated swerve, and a quarter cup of the confectionery swerve. Um, the sucralose is the most budget friendly. I get that at Aldi. Swerve I like because I think it just adds a nice texture. So I kind of use the sucralose to get a little more bang for my buck out of the swerve. But if you want to go super budget friendly, you could do the entire cup with sucralose. Or if you're not worried about budget at all, you could do half a cup of granulated swerve, half a cup of confectionery swerve. You get the idea. Anything that adds up to 1 cup here, friends. The last thing you are going to need is some Lily's sugar-free baking chips, kind of the secret ingredient to add some extra flavor to your cocoa. They come in lots of fun flavors. Pumpkin spice was one that was a limited edition for fall. There's semi-sweet, milk chocolate, chocolate mint, dark chocolate, chocolate salted caramel. And the one I'm going to be demonstrating with today is the limited edition for December 2021, which is peppermint flavor. All right, so we are going to combine all our ingredients in a bowl. So we're going to take our unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm adding my variety of different no-calorie sweeteners, so you can use the same ones I'm using, or you can do just one, any combination thereof. Our quarter teaspoon of salt and our baking chips. So like I said, I'm using the peppermint ones today to make a peppermint cocoa. And then you're going to take a whisk and just blend all of those together really, really well. You can even sift them into the bowl so that there's no big clumps or anything. And as far as the how to do the cocoa, that's all there is to it. So if this is for yourself, you could actually stop the video right here and just pour this into an empty container. For anyone who would like to turn this into a gift, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so to turn our sugar-free cocoa into a gift, you're going to need an empty jar. I actually just used a pickle jar and repurposed it. And I took the lid and I spray painted it with a little chalkboard paint just so it looked a little bit fancier. You're going to need some string. I just grabbed some twine I had handy and some sparkly yarn, maybe some bells, whatever decorations you have. And then I grabbed a gift tag, and on the gift tag, I wrote out the recipe and the instructions for making the cocoa. Okay, so we are going to take our cocoa and we are going to spoon it into the jar. Okay, and you can be a little less messy with it than I am. Okay, try to make sure that the baking chips were really kind of mixed in well with the powder so that they're not all sinking to the bottom. You kind of want a good scoopful of those in every heaping teaspoon that you use. Okay, and this will kind of give you an idea of how much mixture this is going to make. It makes it, you can make quite a few cups of hot cocoa with this much. It's going to turn out just about perfect. Okay, and once that's all in the jar, we're going to place the lid on it. And we are going to take our nice fancy twine and string and just tie a cute little bow here. Okay, I'm going to take my gift tag and just wrap the gift tag around the bow. Okay. And then last of all, we are going to take a label, peppermint cocoa mix. I just got a whole roll of these labels on Amazon. So if you're doing like a lot of DIY projects, it's a good idea just to buy them in bulk. And there you go, guys. Awesome. Sugar-free hot cocoa mix, all set to go. Perfect gift idea and really, really budget friendly. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.